Climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time. It is a phenomenon that has been happening for centuries, but the pace of change has accelerated in recent years. Climate change refers to a long-term shift in weather patterns that results in changes in temperature, rainfall, and other weather-related factors. This essay will explore the causes and effects of climate change, as well as the potential solutions that can be implemented to mitigate its impact. Causes of climate change. The primary cause of climate change is the increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases, including carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, trap heat from the sun and prevent it from escaping back into space. The increase in greenhouse gases is primarily due to human activities, such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation. Burning fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, while deforestation reduces the number of trees that can absorb carbon dioxide. Another cause of climate change is the natural variability of the climate. The climate has always fluctuated over time due to factors such as volcanic eruptions, changes in solar activity, and natural cycles such as El Niño and La Niña. However, the rate of change has accelerated in recent years due to the human-induced increase in greenhouse gases. Effects of climate change. The effects of climate change are wide-ranging and include both environmental and social impacts. One of the most significant impacts is the rise in global temperatures. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC) has projected that global temperatures will rise by 1.5 degrees Celsius to 4.5 degrees Celsius by the end of the century if emissions continue at current levels. This rise in temperatures will have a range of impacts, including melting ice caps and rising sea levels. Another effect of climate change is changes in precipitation patterns. Some areas may experience increased rainfall and flooding, while others may experience more prolonged droughts. This can have a significant impact on agriculture and food security, as well as on freshwater resources. Climate change is also likely to lead to more frequent and severe weather events, such as hurricanes, heat waves, and wildfires. These events can have devastating impacts on communities, including loss of life and property damage. Solutions to climate change. To mitigate the impacts of climate change, there are several potential solutions that can be implemented. One of the most significant solutions is reducing greenhouse gas emissions. This can be achieved by transitioning to renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power, as well as by improving energy efficiency and reducing waste. Another solution is to increase carbon sequestration. This can be achieved through afforestation and reforestation, which involve planting trees to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Additionally, technologies such as carbon capture and storage can be used to capture carbon dioxide emissions from power plants and other sources and store them underground. International cooperation is also essential in mitigating the impacts of climate change. The United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change (UNFCCC) was established in 1992 to address climate change. Since then, several international agreements have been reached, including the Paris Agreement, which aims to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. Conclusion. In conclusion, climate change is one of the most significant challenges facing humanity. It is caused primarily by human activities, and its impacts are far-reaching and wide-ranging. To mitigate its impact, solutions such as reducing greenhouse gas emissions, increasing carbon sequestration, and international cooperation are essential. As individuals, we can also take steps to reduce our carbon footprint, such as by reducing energy consumption and using public transportation. Only through collective action can we hope to address the challenges posed by climate change and create a sustainable future for generations to come.